Hi viewers, Amarnath Small Steps Trader channel. So after a rally, many indices and are flat, and the list is momentum, especially mid small micro indexes. We can see that even Bank Nifty after a range bound, now it started just picking up. So far, if you see, all are lost its momentum. Let me say subsequently whether the momentum is mounting or not. So all this we will see in the chart. Okay, before going to the video, today's tidbit: if the prices closed higher than they opened, then market professionals were probably more bullish. If the prices closed lower than they opened, then market professionals were probably more bearish. So it's a very simple candle matter only. This is, so that's what the author says. So the if the prices closed above the open, it's obviously the green candle. It's a bullish candle. The prices close below the open, it's a bearish red candle. So very simple thing. Okay, so with this we'll go to the main video. So before the disclaimer, I'm not a separate advisor. Whatever I'm speaking here are my views for learning purpose. Always you do your own study and analysis and take your own decision. So that will keep you or make you a good trader or investor in long run. So today Nifty closed 117 point positive closure at 22,474, recorded a new all-time high. So that's a very positive thing. The left side, Nifty's gainers and losers are there. Have a glance and continue to the video. So totally 2,680 stock traded, in which 601 stock ended positively, 2,003 stocks ended negatively, 76 stocks prices unchanged. 44 stock touched the upper circuit limit, 266 stock touched the lower circuit limit, 70 stock touched the 52-week high, and 91 stock touched the 52-week low. So the important thing is this one. So this is very fast difference. So more than 1/3 is the negative side. So all this because of this thing. So everything happened. It's small, micro, and beyond. So all this is happening in that area, we can say that. So this number is less than 100. So this also we have to give the considerable attention. So still at the same time we don't need to panic. The reason is these mass changes is not by itself. It's all are we can say it's after the SEBI's guidelines about mid and small investors protection. So that's what it concerns. So that reflection is now happening here. Maybe they are rebalancing all this stuff. So that is how we can see this. So how is the overall market strength? We will see in the chart. So who is the supporter today? The Nifty. ICICI Bank today positively supported at 17.56 point, and next to the ICICI, Bharati Airtel 16.03 point positive contribution. The downside, NTPC 7.33 point negative contribution, and Ultracement 4.76 point negative contribution. So about the FI data. So until the time of recording this video, the data has not come. But anyway, so far the FI is 57 crore net buying, and DI also 9,147 crores in net buying. So this number is very negligible. Let me see how the FI performs in the upcoming sessions. So this is very massive number. So this all is because happening in the large cap. So though the mid and small and micro cap falls, so all the money goes into the large cap. So that's this effect we can see even seeing today also. So all these are day-based data. Similarly, you can see the month-wise FI data for a glance. Then continue with the chart. The Nifty previous close was 22,356. From the opening, it was till in the downside till 12 o'clock. Then after that, it started picking up from there. If you see from the low 22,224, see the high 22,497. So all-time high magnet, and just 3 points away from the 22,500. So if you see from the down, it is more than 275 points recovery. So very good recovery, we can say that, with a very good momentum. So this shows that a kind of bullishness. So we can expect in the subsequent session also it withstands. Similarly, if you see the Bank Nifty, the previous close was 47,581. So just a small gap up, but from there it's a very good rally, very sharp rally, we can say. 47,442 was the low. From there, if you see the high, 48,161. So more than 700 point, it's a rally within the short duration of time. In 1 hour of time, such a rally. But after that, it completely in the sideways movement, it almost it retained its high level, we can say that. So this is about intraday. So now we will see the day performance, the trend. So if you see the Nifty, the price action wise, it's in very good positiveness. Though after the consolidation, since last couple of sessions, it's trying to make all-time high, and it's doing that. So now the 22,000 will become as a very strong support. So this is about Nifty. About the Bank Nifty, so we said that in the last couple of sessions it was 45 and 47 was the range. So it was struggled there. Now it has had a very good breakthrough, and now it is almost 1,000 points away from that, the 47,000. So now this 47,000 will act as a very strong support. So this momentum, it largely support to the Nifty. So definitely there are possibilities 22,700 and 22,800 Nifty may touch if this continues. And the next resistance would be for Bank Nifty, the previous the all-time high marked on December. So 48,636 is the all-time high. So that point will act as a resistance, because psychologically also there will be a profit booking also happens here. So probably there are possibilities it will break the all-time high and make the new all-time high. So with that sense, Nifty very easily touch the 22,700, 22,800, even 23,000 also it will touch. So it has the that was its signaling now. So we cannot judge the market entirely based on the large cap. So we have to see mid and small cap. And see Nifty mid small 400 index 188 point negative closure. So if you see this now, if you see this trend line, it just broken the trend line. But still we no need to leave the hope, because the last moment, see the time, it shows some bullishness, and it just touched the 50 EMA line. So we can take this as a pullback, and still we can expect there are possibilities it will regain. So why this happening is, it's not by itself. So after the SEBI's worry about huge fund flow in mid and small, I think the fund houses restructuring their portfolio. So that impact we can take it as. So similarly, if you see almost a similar pattern of micro cap also. See. So if we say that overall there is no strong negativity, we can say it is the consolidation. This area we can say is a consolidation. So nothing to worry. So this, if you see, this is giving some hope. If the candle closes decisively in the negative, we have to be very cautious. But this is giving some hope. But the same thing we can see here also. It is exactly at the range, the consolidation support side only. So this is about price action, but if you see the indicator, we keep on saying that it doesn't making, the momentum is not doesn't making all time high, I mean higher high. So this is quite variable, but anyway the price action still giving some hope. Like, let us see how the subsequent days it performs. So we have to consider our big brother US market. So last session sorry, Dow 400 point negatively closed, S&P 500 52 points, and the Nasdaq 267 point negative closure. So by the time of recording this video, UK market and Euro market quite good green. We cannot say it is a deep green until unless all are above 0.5, we can say that, but it is very close to that. Let me see end of the day how it performs. So if you see the Dow chart, still the Dow doesn't showing any strong negativity, so this is consolidation only in this area. But if you see their broad market index, it has a very good momentum. So that's we have to largely consider. So if with that sense still even the US market also there is no negativity, we can say that. So end of the day our market correlate with the US market. With that respect, still we have the hope our Nifty will perform on the higher side. Okay, with this we'll close this video. I hope this video will be very much informative to you. Please do subscribe and like. See you next video. Until bye bye. Thank you.